News just coming in. The Supreme Court has wrapped the lower court on rape mediation cases. In fact, the Supreme Court has said any attempt of mediation between a rapist and that is the perpetrator with the victim is thoroughly illegal. Courts cannot take a soft approach on mediation like promoting wedlock. Any such attempt is a compromise on the dignity of a woman. It's a spectacular error, the apex court says, on part of the court to promote any mediation between the victim and the perpetrator of the crime. Remember, there was a court down south that had asked for mediation between a victim and a rapist, saying that the rapist is willing to marry the victim and she should think about it. The victim herself came out and said that this sort of a suggestion by the court is a grave assault on her self-respect. She says that she would never accept a compromise, and it is perhaps after the outrage and the statement of the victim herself that has now prompted the apex court to wrap the lower court, saying that any attempt at mediation between a rapist and a victim through a compromise like a wedlock is outrageous. The courts cannot take a soft approach on mediation, and any such attempt is a compromise on the dignity of a woman. It has gone ahead and said that this is a spectacular error on part of the court to promote such a mediation. Anusha Soni is now joining us with more details. Anusha, the wrap much needed after the outrage and also after a particular victim in a similar case had said that it's an actual assault and a second one at her self-respect. All right, we seem to have lost our connection there with Anusha Soni. In fact, the Supreme Court wrapping the lower court for suggesting any compromise between a rapist and a victim.